Speaking of cars that we're going to have in the new studio, the Cybertruck is obviously one of them. However, it's not available yet. And so many people who can't contain their excitement have decided to create their very own replicas. Now, up until this point, they've been sort of crude. This guy, however, has absolutely nailed it in a way that I didn't think would be possible if these images and video are to be believed. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a video clip here, which you can play, post it on Instagram. It looks unreal, but also real. He's driving down the road. Is that real? Come on, Will, tell me the truth.
Like a block.
Is it real though? Or?
Yeah.
It's real.
I think it looks real based on the reflections.
Reflections and shadows, the drone. It's so close to the real thing. A guy just built it? Really? The other thing that is surprising to me, I mean, Electrek wrote about it, but at this moment in time, that post only has 664 likes. It's kind of curious. But look at the reflection on the door panels. Now, the crazy part, if you scroll down a little further, they show the interior as well. How are you going to build?
Oh, marble dash.
How are you going to build this interior, Will? Go over to the next one. How you going to build this interior, Will?
Man, it looks great.
It's crazy. Is that a fire extinguisher? Maybe he's nervous about his interior as well. The whole thing is glass, one strip going across the top. What a crazy replica. This guy's, I mean, for a DIY job, actually, Will, if you go down to just scroll to the next section here, you'll see there's a slider. You can look at the actual Cybertruck interior versus his. Not bad. It's not exact, but not bad. Anyway, it's the best replica I've seen. The real question, or the question that Electrek had, is it even electric? Or is it a gas-powered truck retrofitted to look this way? Of course, we don't know. It has a center armrest in the front section, which the interior on the Cybertruck, the image there that you have, does not. It has a third seat in there in the front row. It also seems like it has a little bit less leg room in the back seat. But either way, man, this guy, it's incredible. Imagine, where would we even start if we want to do a DIY? There's more video at the bottom. It's from Tesla Clubs Croatia, I believe. Like, that's a real video, right?
I would assume so.
It's incredible. No door handles. This vehicle it's just, every time you see it in the real world, even though this isn't the actual one, but it will look exact. It just seems so unreal.
Right.
Anyway,
Very cool.
Amazing DIY project.